Good morning to all of you. We will start with FA theory. Okay. Sorry, FA practicals. Aaj practicals ase no? FA practical. First aid practicals. I hope you all have bought this. Exercise kini sana na? Do you have this exercise? Saurabh?
Yes, ma'am.
Asa na exercise? Kini sana?
Ananai, ma'am. Kinanai.
ঠিক আছে
Bahira join, ma'am.
কিনি লোৱা okay এটো লাগিব ফাৰ্স্ট এডৰ কাৰণে এটা practicals okay only for practicals first aid কাৰণে এটা and তোমাৰ PSM ৰ কাৰণে এটা so দুটা exercise লাগিব okay so এতিয়া তোমালোকৰ you don't have exercise so you can write in your beleg exercise but you will have to copy it you will have to note it down here okay later exercise কিনাৰ পিছত ইয়াতে তোমালোকৰ লিখিব লাগিব okay
ma'am আমি যে এক্সেছত ব্যৱহাৰ কৰিছিলো জুলজি আৰু বটানীত
আগতে ইউজ কৰিছা
মানে এনেকা বহিটো ইউজ জুলজি বা বটানীৰ বহিটো একে
হা হা সেম প্র্যাকটিক্যাল নোটবুক বুলি আছে আচ্ছা বাকিবোৰ কি videos what happened your videos turn on your videos all of you if you want turn on your videos I want a class ঠিক আছে write down first aid kit items first aid kit items first aid kit items কথা পাতি আছা first aid kit items first aid AID8 kit items kit 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 items ITMS items okay তাত লিখা তলত introduction write down introduction then you write certain materials certain 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 materials are always needed certain materials are always needed and EEDED for primary care of first aid কথা পাতি আছা
ma'am
say
certain কৈ দিব এবাৰ কৈ দিবচোন না
starting পৰা
certain material
introduction introduction তাৰপিছত লিখা certain materials are always needed for primary care primary care for first aid primary care for first aid FIRST first aid AID8 for first aid full stop if these things if these things THESE these things 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 if these things are collected COLLECTED are collected and kept in a box if these things are collected and kept in a box box it will help HELP it will help have immense help by the time of emergency it will help have immense help IMMENSE immense help 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 by the time of emergency
immense spelling
IMMENSE immense help by the time of emergency Next, you write down definition. Tolot, you write down definition. DEFINITION definition. Definition, tarpisot, tolot, you write. First aid kit. First aid kit. First aid kit, KIT kit, is a collection. First aid kit is a collection. COLLECTION is a collection. And supplies 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 of equipment. Supplies of equipment EQ UIP MENT equipment and materials. Equipment and materials MATERIALS equipment and materials that is used 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 that is used in case of any injury, that is used in case of any injury, INJURY, in case of any injury, or to treat injuries from, INJURIES, injuries from minor to major. From minor to major, MINOR minor to major, MAJOR major. Tarpisot, you write down aims and objectives. Tolot, you write down aims and objectives. Aims, AIMS, aims and objectives. OBJECTIVS, aims and objectives. Then write down number 1, to have basic knowledge about first aid kit. To have basic knowledge. To have basic knowledge, BASIC, basic knowledge, KNOWLEDG, to have basic knowledge about first aid kit, KIT kit, first aid kit. Second point to likha, to identify the materials, to identify, INDENTIFY, to identify the materials, to identify the materials in a first aid box. To identify the materials in a first aid box, BOX box. Third point to likha, to know, 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 to know how to utilize, to know how to utilize, the first aid materials or equipments. To know how to utilize the first aid materials or equipments, EQ UIP MENTS equipments. Okay. So tomar
Ma'am, materials opposite ki goisil?
huh?
First aid materials or bisot ki goisil?
Materials or equipments, EQ UIP MENTS. EQ UIP MENTS equipments. ঠিক আছে?
Okay,
this is the first aid box from us.
ঠিক আছে.
This is the first aid box. Okay, itu first aid box hoy aru you have written items, no, items বোৰ সব ইয়া থাকে. Okay, these are the items, different types of items. তো এটা কাম কৰা, you all just write down the list of the items. Okay, মই share screen কৰি আছো এতিয়া. Can you see this? দেখি পাইছা না? First aid kit items.
Yes, ma'am.
Parag Jyoti, can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please write down. Itu likhibo lagibo. First aid kit items, basic first aid kit items may contain iman kini point ebor sob thakibo. Okay, in a first aid box, plasters lagibo, tar pisot gauze dressings lagibo. Okay, so all these things write down please. First aid kit mane moi junto the one which I showed you just now. Okay, the first aid box. ঠিক আছে, first aid box to তোমার first aid kit হয় আৰু first aid box ৰ ভিতৰত এইবোৰ বস্তু থাকিব plasters, gauze dressing, ঠিক আছে, triangular bandage, crepe roll bandage, band-aids এইবোৰ। আচ্ছা মোক কোৱাচোন এবাৰ plasters in a variety of different sizes and shape. Plasters মানে কি হয়? Veronica Bare, what is plaster? Do you know? Veronica?
No, ma'am.
Plasters are what? Saurav? Do you know plasters?
Hello, ma'am.
Plasters কি হয় জানানে?
মানে এই যে হাত ভাঙলে বা কিবা হলে
প্লাষ্টাৰ টো লগাই দি হয় নে?
লগোৱা হয় হয় মেম।
Yes. So plasters are used for protecting wound. Wound মানে? What is a wound? Wound. Wound.
নাজানো মেম।
Parag Jyoti Deka?
Ma'am, no idea.
No idea. Others, anyone? Nawaz? Nawaz আছে না নাই?
Hello.
Plasters মানে what are okay sorry plasters okay what are plasters?
Ma'am কিবা fracture হলে তেনেকা লগোৱা হয়।
ক'ত লগোৱা হয়?
Ma'am fracture হলে।
তুমি কি শুই আছা নেকি? Your voice is so much sleepy.
নহয় ma'am মানে গাটো ভাল নহয় ma'am।
আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে আৰু wound মানে কি হয়? wound
খা ma'am। খা ma'am।
Yes. So plasters কি কারণ what is the use of plaster? Protecting against wound. Wound মানে ঘা, okay? It can also protect the wound while it is healing. Okay, ভাল হ'ব কাৰণে আমি plasters টো লগাই দিও, okay? তাৰপিছত number 2 is small, medium and large sterile gauze dressings. Gauze dressing same হয়, okay? It is used for covering and protecting from minor wounds. Minor wounds মানে for example you can take a small cut, যদি কিবা small এটা সৰু কাটিছে, okay? Small cut, এইবোৰ you will have to use gauze dressing, okay, for covering and protecting from minor wounds. ঠিক আছে? Can you understand? বুজি পাইছে নে?
Yes ma'am.
তাৰপিছত কি আছে? Okay, you write down first, afterwards we'll discuss. হল নে?
নাই মেম।
Nah, ma'am.
ইয়াতে লিখিছে ন at least two sterile eye dressings. Eye dressings মানে কি হয়? Eye মানে চকু, okay? To treat injuries to the eye. Okay, any kind of injury to the eye can be cured or we have to put this eye dressing. ঠিক আছে? To promote healing and protecting the wound from further harm, we have to use eye dressings. তাৰ পিছত হ'ল তোমাৰ triangular bandages. Okay, triangular bandage কি হয়? Triangular bandage, it's a bandage that is used to control bleeding. Okay, and it is also used for immobilizing. Okay, and to support the bone. Triangular bandage, do you know what are triangular bandages? Triangular shape bandages? It is triangular bandage. Triangular bandage লিখিছা ন? It is a triangular bandage. ঠিক আছে, এটো bandage হয়. It is the triangular bandage. Okay, can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
This is a
Yes,
triangular
ma'am.
bandage. Okay, then wait, I will show you one picture. Triangular bandage. Technique, huh? Wait. Prabha, एक second. Can you see this? You দেখি পাইছা নে?
নাই।
Okay, ৰবা। এতিয়া?
নাই মেম।
এতিয়াও নাই?
ঘূৰি আছে, সার্চিং হৈ আছে।
অ আচ্ছা।
বাপৰে।
এতিয়া?
আহিছে।
এটা কৈছো।
এইটো হয় triangular bandage. ঠিক আছে? Triangular bandage. The use of triangular bandage is this. ঠিক আছে? To protect wound
এইটো হাত
and to
ভাঙিলে লগাই
support the
নেকি?
hand. Huh?
হাত ভাঙিলে?
হাত ভাঙিলে to
প্লাষ্টাৰ
support
কৰাৰ পিছত
কৰিবৰ কাৰণে these triangular bandages are used. ঠিক আছে?
Sandwich type নেকি, ma'am?
Huh?
Sandwich type.
This sandwich.
Sandwich.
Sandwich or নিচিনা হয়. Next, you write down crepe roll bandages for wrapping and bandaging injuries. Crepe roll bandages. Crepe roll bandages. Prabha. Crepe roll bandages লিখিছা ন? Crepe roll bandages itu হয়, okay? Crepe roll bandages. তেনেকুৱা. Okay? Crepe roll bandages itu কি কাৰণে use কৰো? For wrapping and bandaging injuries. Wrapping কৰিব কাৰণে আৰু bandaging কৰিব কাৰণে crepe roll bandage to use কৰা যায়. Okay? Next is band-aids of different sizes. Band-aid, do you know what is a band-aid? Rahul Amin, band-aid. Do you know what is a band-aid? Band-aid.
No, ma'am.
Band-aid. Anyone band-aid? Nobody knows band-aid? Saurabh Das?
No, ma'am. Then
Where is the band-aid? Whenever we have a small cut, we used to use band-aid. Okay. So, Robert. Band-aid to it hoy. Can you see this band-aid? Dekhi paisa ne?
Yes, ma'am.
This is a band-aid. Okay.
পাইছো।
Okay. For what do we use this band-aid? Mahmood.
সৰু সুৰা কটা চিঙা হলে আমি লগাও মেম এইটো
To it hoy band-aid. Okay. Next is what? Band-aids. Tar pisot safety pins. Safety pins ki hoy?
Cup.
Huh? Gom pone safety pins. Do you know what is a safety pin?
কাপোৰত মাৰা পিনটো নেকি মেম লেডিজ
সেইটোৱে হয়।
মানুহে যে ইউজ কৰে
এইটোৱে হয় safety pins.
বুজি পাইছো কিন্তু ক'ব কাৰণে ভাবি আছো যে হেতু হয় না নাই
এইটোৱে হয় safety pin to safety pin হ'ব ন it is used to cover কি hold and secure bandages okay bandages hold and secure কৰিবৰ কাৰণে safety pins ইটো হয় ন safety pins গম পোৱা চাগে you all know না this is safety pin
হয় হয়
of different sizes
জানো।
okay কিছুমান ডাঙৰ কিছুমান সৰু তেনেকুৱা so all these items should be there in a first aid kit box tar pisot 4 inch into 4 inch gauze pads for cleaning wound gauze pad to kior karone for gasa safa koribor karone for cleaning wounds 4 into 4 gauze pads are used okay tar pisot disposable sterile gloves these are the sterile gloves you all know na sterile gloves
yes ma'am
gloves are
Yes,
used
yes,
for
ma'am.
what why do we use gloves why do we use gloves
বীজাণু বা লেতেৰা বস্তু
ইনফেকশন নহবৰ কাৰণে
yes infection hobo karone right for preventing cross contamination okay from one person to the other so gloves should be
Yes.
used very good tar pisot cotton balls cotton to gom pass again cotton what is a cotton
এইটো কপা নেকি মেম কপা
these are cottons cotton you know na you know cotton
yes ma'am
okay so cottons are used for what for cleaning wound okay gasa musibo karone safa korbo karone cottons are required very much important tar pisot hol tumar tweezers you know what are tweezers Mahmuda Parveen tweezers mane tell me tweezers ki hoy
Plucker.
Plucker it is used for what for removing any kind of glass dirt okay to remove any kind of debris tweezers are used okay you should not use your nails nakhun to use koriba na lage you have to use tweezers okay next scissors ki hoy
বেছি
kesi ki kone use koru
এইটো বেন্ডেজ কটা মিলা বা তেনেকুৱা কামৰ কাৰণে
bandage and all you will have to cut the bandages right so for cutting bandages for cutting cottons you will need a scissor okay next tomorrow alcohol free cleansing wipes do you know cleansing wipes alcohol free cleansing wipes teneko thake no wipes eta ke am use koriba paru je alcohol free wipes Johnson's or pai we get Johnson's product also for cleansing our face and all we used to take wipes okay there used to be there is a whole package okay in the package there 1 2 3 4 a small piece of like just like a tissue paper just like a tissue it is present there it is a cleansing wipe for cleaning face or for cleaning anything okay instead of using water cleansing wipes can be used to clean the injured part or the skin তাৰ পিছত sticky tape কি হয় sticky tape কিহৰ কাৰণে what is the use of sticky tape tape কি কাৰণে হয়
To stick
what
the
is the use of
bandages.
tape huh
To stick the bandages.
yes very good for sticking purpose right bandages and all to be kenekwa নহলে how you will fix the bandages you will have to tape some tape even plasters also how you will keep in touch you will have to use some kind of tape okay but not that cello tape different kind of tape okay thermometer I think you know thermometer that day also I've shown you I think so thermometer so this is a thermometer okay this is a clinical thermometer ito this is a clinical thermometer okay aru eta pai that is digital thermometer this is a clinical one tenekwa okay this is the bulb of the thermometer this is the tip this is the end portion and inside you will get mercury okay eta silver color lining thake that is called mercury okay so this is a thermometer is used for what is the purpose of thermometer
টেম্পারেচার জুখিবলৈ
okay tar pisot what is that skin rash cream examples ki ase tomar hydrocortisone or else calendula thik ase it skin rash cream hoy tar pisot cream or spray to relieve insect bite and stings tar pisot antiseptic creams ebor use koribo lage antiseptic cream ki hoy antiseptic give one example of antiseptic cream
plus
hmm
borolin
yes all these are antiseptic cream right this one
Yes.
got it
yes ma'am
so antiseptic creams are used for what why do you use antiseptic cream say why do we use antiseptic cream any idea Rahul Amin any idea antiseptic cream antiseptic mane
Yellow, Chanika. Yellow.
prevent septicemia
huh